Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to fix a Samsung phone that is not getting notifications, step by step. Let's get started. First, restart the phone. Now, press and hold the power button on the side of your Samsung phone until a small menu appears on the screen. You should see options like power off and restart in the middle of the display. Go ahead and tap restart once, then confirm if a second restart button appears. After you tap it, the screen will go black and the phone will turn off. Then you will see the Samsung logo as it turns back on. Restarting clears small glitches in the system memory that often stop notifications from coming through, and nothing you have saved on the phone will be erased. Once the phone has restarted and you are back on the home screen, turn off Do Not Disturb. Find the top edge of the screen and gently swipe down with one finger to open the quick panel. You will see several round icons for things like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Look for an icon called Do Not Disturb. Sometimes it shows as a circle with a line through the middle. If that icon is highlighted or colored, it means Do Not Disturb is on, and most notifications are being silenced. Tap the Do Not Disturb icon once so it turns gray, which means it is now off, and new notifications can make a sound again. Many people forget this is on from a meeting or from bedtime, so it is a common reason notifications seem to stop. Next up, with the quick panel still open, or after swiping down again if it closed, turn off power saving. In the same row of round icons, look for one called power saving. On some phones you may need to swipe left within the quick panel to see more icons. If power saving is colored or highlighted, it is currently on and may be blocking apps from running in the background. Tap the power saving icon once so it becomes gray, which means power saving is now off. When power saving is off, your apps are allowed to check for new messages more often, which helps notifications arrive on time, though the battery may drain a bit faster than before. After that, go to Settings, then Notifications, then App Notifications. From your home screen, look for the Settings app, which has a gray gear icon, and tap it once to open the main settings menu. You will see a list of options running down the screen, each with a small icon on the left. Scroll gently until you find Notifications, usually near the top section, and tap on Notifications to open it. Inside the notifications screen, look for an option called App Notifications, which controls alerts for each individual app, and tap App Notifications to see the list of all apps installed on your phone. One useful detail here is that changes you make on this list apply immediately. You do not need to press any separate save button. Now, from the App Notifications list, select the app that is not sending notifications. The apps are usually listed by most recent or alphabetically, and they may have a small switch on the right. Scroll slowly until you find the exact app name you are having trouble with, such as a messaging app or email app. Tap directly on the app name itself, not just the switch, to open that app's detailed notification settings. Opening the app entry lets you see more advanced controls than the simple on or off switch in the main list, which helps you make sure nothing inside the app section is silently blocking alerts. With the app page open, turn on Allow Notifications. At the top of this screen you will see a main switch called Allow Notifications. If the switch is gray or moved to the left, that app is not allowed to send any notifications at all. Tap the Allow Notifications switch once so it turns blue and moves to the right, which means notifications are now enabled for that app. As soon as you turn this on, the app can start sending alerts again, and if you ever need to stop them in the future, you can come back to this same switch to turn them off. You have now restarted your Samsung phone, disabled Do Not Disturb and power saving, and re-enabled notifications for the app that was not alerting you. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.